welcome back to Yukio channel. So today what we got in store for you is whole engine bay cleanup and refresh. Just basically going to be trying to get all the dirt, grime, and crap out of the engine bay. As you can see, it's really dirty. There's power steering fluid, grease, grime, almost every kind of substance you can imagine in here. Something that's always bugged me with the car too, so I want to take this chance while I have nothing in the way, no motor or anything like that, nothing to potentially ruin, and just have at it and see what I can get off. But yeah, you can see behind me the motor is gone. It's no longer here. It's at the machine shop. Going to be getting rebuilt. They're opening up at the moment. I haven't heard back yet, but once they do, we're going to see if the crank is still good. Based on my observations, I took the bearings off. The motor still looked fine. The crank didn't look too damaged. There were scuffs, but we're going to see if it's within clearances to be able to remove. But yeah, otherwise today's focus, the engine bay, like I said. Going to go ahead and start off by masking things off. Anything important, AC lines, power steering lines, any sort of cooling lines, intercooler lines that are left on the car, electronics, stuff like that, just to make sure we don't damage anything. So yeah, I guess let's go ahead and get started.
Blasting his music. What's up, dude?
Dabbing the audience.
Oh,
bro.
okay. Here. Oh, yeah, my bad. Here you go.
Jesus.
Alright guys, so power washer's all hooked up. Next step, spray the engine bay down, get it loosened up a little bit, maybe agitate some spots with a brush that are really ugly, nasty, and then just hose this shit off, because it is so dirty. I'm ready for this. So, basically, bought the cheapest shit you can at Walmart. We're gonna see if this is any good. They didn't have anything else, so we're with what we got. Hopefully it's a decent job. We'll start off by just spraying down some stuff here, agitate it a little bit. Start with, let's see, something we can see. It's easy. Got a lot of crap down here from the AC line. This whole front core support. Put that in there. Agitate a little bit. Probably should have got it wet first, but I want that potency.
Ooh, it's kind of working.
Yeah, looks like it's working okay. Not too bad, even with just the brush and the spray. So that means power washer should get everything off. Oh, look at that, just from the spray and the brush. Cool. Alright. Ooh, that shit's potent. I guess my engine bay could have been dirtier. Looks like just this is doing quite a bit actually. Got a trigger finger, hold on. Okay. Let it soak in. Loosen all that shit up. Agitate it around. My goal is not to get it super clean with the brush. Just kind of get it in there, work it in. Just already it's doing a decent job just with the brush with that. So that agitation over here. It's really dirty in this corner where the power steering and AC line were. Get that good. This over here. Supports. Okay guys, so power washing is done. Went a lot faster than I thought. Honestly, I thought the car would be a lot more dirtier. But a lot of this appears to be just old paint fade and rust. Some places, not too much rust. Some places they could use a touch up. I do want to get this car repainted in the future, so it's not that big of a deal to me. But as of right now, I just want it to look somewhat decent. That way when I get the motor in, there's not a bunch of grime and stuff like that, because I do plan to have the motor pretty clean. I do want to do some things to the motor to make it pop. But yeah, as you can see here, over in this spot here in the front, there was a lot of buildup. Nothing left, it's clean. Down here on the subframe, all clean. Over here by the motor mounts, all clean. That was another bad spot also. But yeah, so it came out pretty good. A lot faster than I thought. Only took about maybe 20 minutes, not even, maybe 10. But yeah. So I guess we're gonna call the video here, guys. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and then we'll see you on the next one whenever we get the motor back. And that's when the fun begins. So be sure to like our channel, or like this video, subscribe to our channel if you like the content. If you wanna see more IS300 content, more super content we coming in the future. We have coming in the future. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace out.